Good morning, ESL 2. There's very dramatic music in the background because my kids are watching a movie. But I'm going to talk to you about what we're going to do today. So today is Wednesday, April 1st. This is called April Fool's Day in the United States, if you didn't know that. So beware of tricks. I don't know that everyone feels like making a bunch of jokes this year, but it's traditionally a day for jokes. Okay, so if you haven't finished the presentation about myself, please do so. We're going to need it for the WebEx tomorrow. But if you have finished it, I want you to work on past or present time frame. Let's go and look at it. And then you're going to complete and submit that today. So the assignment is here. It's in the attachment here, but there's also a video that sends you to YouTube that tells you how to do it. Definitely watch the directions before you attempt the assignment. It will be much easier. The other thing I wanted to show you is this is actually a link to a website that is super useful if you are conjugating verbs. So for example, if you want to figure out what the past participle is for a verb, let's say cook. And you go down to present perfect. That's what we're going to be working on today. You can see I have cooked. Okay. Or if you want to look at one that's irregular, the present perfect form of teach is I have taught. So we're going to be using that form today, and you're going to be using that form when you are writing. So that is going to be super useful for you. So I would use it and bookmark it so you can find it again. Okay. If you have questions today, you can always go back to the folder. And I have open-ended questions, so open questions discussion. So you can just write any question that you have here and submit it, and I will respond. And the nice thing about this is everyone can see your question, so other people probably have that question too. Okay, so finish your work from yesterday. Finish your presentation about myself, either using the Google Slides version or using the Notability version, I don't care which, and then work on either past or present perfect tense today. Okay? All right, I'll talk to you later. Oh, our live class will be tomorrow. Okay?